It is used to edit the size and measurement. Click here to edit the pattern parts. Click here to edit the size. Click here to edit the part number. Right-click Auto set the dispersion. Right-click to insert size. Right-click to delete size. Right-click to set base size. Click Open to open Excel size table file. Click Save to save the size table to Excel. Click Replace. You can use the new Excel to replace the size table. Check the Keep Size. Will keep the size when you replace. Click Scale. You can set the formula in the size table. The number changed. Click Tolerance. You can edit the tolerance number. Choose the size to set. Click it. You can edit the size. You can choose the type. Edit the size. After set, you can choose the size here. Click it to edit the parts. Select the type. Edit the parts. After set, you can choose the part here. Click it. You can paste the size table from Excel. Copy. Paste. Click it to set the formula. Set commonly used formulas. Click it to set the dispersion menu. Click Insert. Add a type. Write the type name. Set the dispersion. Dispersion is used here. It is used for customizing size for groups. This used to set dispersion. This used to set size group. You can set all sizes one group. Set the group name. Click to add new group. Have to group size now. Click it will clear blank grid. Check it will show dispersion not length. Check it. Show the length here. Uncheck it. Will show angle. Click it to set the group dispersion. Click OK to finish. Thanks for watching.